In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Samsung. You need to begin by opening Play Store app and clicking on the search bar. Over here, type in DevCheck and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, just open it. Now from this app you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!